Divide 472 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get zero. So now we put down this 7 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So 472 divided by 4 is 118. So this much for today and thanks for watching.